What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we actually just wrapped up Cars and Coffee. So we'll overlay some of those clips at the end of this video, but we are actually here with none other than S58 Danny, and we're finally gonna get him to drive the GTR
Godzilla
and get a ride along. So we're gonna get his reaction and see what he thinks about Godzilla.
First time. Let's go.
Got the boy Jam Alpha. You're loudest C92 in the world now. All right. This is Danny's first time. You didn't even sit in it yet, right?
Very comfortable. No, I have not actually sat in it.
Bro, the cars are not bad, right?
Not bad at all. This is comfy. Honestly, it hugs you too.
Yeah.
The bolsters, they're actually not bad at all.
Right.
All right, cool. You cool if I adjust everything?
Yeah.
All right, first start. Hey, I like it.
Hey. So this is gonna be, I think, Danny's first time in an all-wheel drive car.
Absolutely.
And then
feels good.
First time in a GTR, JDM boys.
Yeah, I miss being in a coupe, man. I really do. I think that might be next up for me. What do you guys think? Should I get it back in a coupe?
What's next, you think? What's next?
I want a Porsche, guys, but the market needs to come down.
Market's crazy.
Market's crazy.
Yeah. So it's funny, me and Danny always joke about JDM space.
As much as I am a BMW guys, I've always had a soft spot for the JDM scene. And shout out to like Tommy F, Adam LZ, all those guys. I'm constantly up to date on the YouTube grind with the JDM guys. So maybe one day in the arsenal I'll have, I don't know. I'd want like an old school Skyline, honestly, like an R32 or R33. I think that would be fire, or like an RB26. But we'll see.
Oh yeah.
We got time.
So what do you think so far?
Dude, interior's nice. Honestly, interior's nice.
Not bad for an Altima, right?
No. I mean, honest, dude, you have full leather dash, leather wheel, the carbon bits. It's not bad, man.
It's my first coupe car, and Danny's only driven coupes, so
yeah.
Let's see what Danny thinks.
Right. So how do you change the modes?
So the modes are right here.
Down here?
It's like an airplane. Yeah,
so what do you usually do?
Hold it up. You hold all of them up for 1 second, and you put them in R mode.
All right, but we want to keep traction on.
Yeah, it'll still be on in R mode. If you go down, it'll turn it off.
Gotcha. So, dude, I love how these sound.
I think they sound amazing.
The blow-off valves.
Chill. We don't have an exhaust yet. Whatever.
Yeah, let's do right. Let's break some necks.
Sheesh. Rolling out with Daniel's son too.
Feels good, man. First impression.
It's pretty smooth. So it's a DCT, but it's way smoother than I think the F80.
Right?
Like you don't feel like as clunky.
So mind you, we're going 5-10 miles per hour, but it definitely feels rigid in a good way.
Yeah.
I like my cars to feel rigid. And this is stock suspension still, right?
Stock suspension, yeah.
It feels really good.
Yeah. Like, you know how you felt like first gear DCT in the F80? How fucking clunky it was? This one,
I don't feel that.
You don't feel it, but you hear it, you know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
everybody talks about how you can hear the transmission and whatnot. Which you can, you know what I mean? Like the car definitely makes a lot of noises underneath, but that's also because the transaxle is like right here.
Absolutely.
Don't know how much full beats we can give it right now, but we'll try.
We'll try to get a little bit of an open road.
Are you in manual mode?
I don't know. How do you check?
Just put this over one. So it says auto, or it says A by the number.
Yes. So that's auto mode, right?
Yeah. So now you throw this back, and now you can shift it manually. We're about to leave a Cars and Coffee. We're about to go viral. Just kidding.
No, it's not.
Just kidding. And ring it out like.
How far do you go?
7K RPM.
Solid. Honestly, solid. All right, good shit. No, dude, the car feels planted.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was not expecting that. This is
So-
my first time, mind you, so.
And my first time driving this car, like I didn't really understand like the difference between the all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel drive, but just knowing that it is all-wheel drive just makes you feel like you're not gonna crash and spin out.
Yeah, it's hard to explain. Like on that corner, you could definitely notice the front pulling almost. So like I've driven front-wheel drive cars, and you feel that pull in the front, and it's a similar feeling here. Yeah. It's really hard to explain.
Yeah. it does, yo.
Oh my gosh. So power-wise, I think, what do you think, like close to 600 to the wheel?
After talking to you, I think we're pushing 600. I think right under 600 to the wheel.
Yeah, no.
But
dude.
it's definitely faster than like our F80s.
It's faster than my car for damn sure. I mean, obviously, but wow.
And it's weird, like we both driven in Bilal's like twin turbo R8, but it just, I guess when you get to this threshold of all-wheel drive and big twin turbo cars, it just feels amazing.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as a car is tuned, so the G80, I mean, let's say it makes 480 wheel, right?
Yeah.
It's different. It's just different. You get into a tuned car of similar power, it's just more aggressive.
Facts. Yeah, so it's DCT. It's only a 6-speed. Got a cop right there.
Where?
Over there. Florida cops are cool though. We ain't Cali cops. Fucking state riffs and shit. But yeah, S58 Danny.
I like this.
And the GTR ski.
I very much like this.
It's a different experience for sure.
Yeah,
like
it's more race car.
We're BMW boys for life, but it is definitely more race car.
Absolutely.
Like my wife always asks, like, what's making all those noises? But my F80 also made a bunch of noises too, son.
And that's the thing. You guys get like blow-off valves, a bunch of cool stuff, cool noises. Where BMW guys like, eh.
Yeah.
I don't think you ever see BMW guys running blow-off valves on the modern gen cars.
Right. How do you like the cars? I think they're
amazing.
super
They hug you.
comfortable.
For stock seats, they're fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Super comfortable.
Another thing I noticed is like, it feels good right now when we were like, what, going under 60 miles an hour. But when you go past 100, the car just wants to go.
Dude, this thing pulls. It just keeps going.
I think after I say 100, the car asks, it screams for you to want to go faster. Like it wants you to go faster and faster.
Yeah, and that was only 45.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys.
In Orlando, Mexico. I mean, Mexico, Orlando.
Dude, the DCT ship's fast.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. The noises,
Blow
the
up
noises.
I can't wait to go on our first rally in this car, bro.
Oh my, I know,
it's gonna
right?
be insane.
Oh my gosh, stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, so this one is also DCT, but the shifts are also lightning fast, similar to the F80s. And the G80s are super fast as well.
Yeah, just from this drive, I'd say the DCT in this car is better than the F80s.
I think so, yeah.
It's not clunky at all.
Yeah.
At all. Oh, you can feel the all-wheel drive, man.
Yeah. You don't feel any slip, and
Nothing.
it just goes.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Like in my car, I do the same thing. You just feel the tail wanting to go out.
Right.
With this car, no, it's like the front's pushing you.
Right. And this freaking Ateza all-wheel drive system, man, is fucking crazy. The Asians, man, they knew what to do.
Breaking necks. People
Yeah.
trying to take their morning Sunday walks. Oh my gosh.
No, it's just fun, man. It feels crazy in the passenger seat.
Alright, let's let these guys get a little up there.
Get you guys another clip real quick.
Alright.
Get my reaction too.
Alright, guys. You ready? Alright, 1, 2. Oh my gosh, dude.
True tight needle.
You feel that in your stomach?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I think you feel it more when you're like, I think my wife told me she feels it more in her stomach when you're like giving it the full beans, you know, like 140. Yeah. Like it's crazy.
We'll get there, guys. I gotta warm up. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Danny's driving a supercar. Supercar killer. That's another thing. Danny mentioned it earlier. I love the sound of the VR38. And that's just one thing that I never like 100% loved was the exhaust note of the S55. This exhaust note just sounds
amazing.
Beautiful trumpets. Beautiful.
Amazing. Jeez.
Let's go. Definitely feels different in the passenger seat. Car feels fucking fast, that's for sure. Sounds good. Can't wait to get a full exhaust.
Oh yeah.
And we'll have Danny drive it again once we do that. But car is fucking fun, man.
Amazing, dude. I love this thing. Absolutely nutty. All smiles.
All smiles. That's literally my reaction. You know what I mean?
Like.
It's crazy. It's hard to describe.
It is. It's Godzilla, dude.
It's nice knowing you as S58 Danny, not GTR Danny.
GTR Danny, we out here.
For that.
Yeah.
Really good.
It's just different, bro. It's different. It's hard to describe.
Nice adrenaline feel.
Oh my gosh, dude, the stomach feel just like
Yeah, you can just get. I've been in one like passenger side, but I've never been able to do that.
crazy.
Straight to the car at the B&O. That's why I didn't do the Huracan.
What'd you say?
Whoa, yeah. It's insane. You get it? The way they capture it.
Morning Cars and Coffee rollout with the boys. Got Daniel with the RCF. Boy Ed, Dr. Lambo, Joe, the Technica. Yo. Brought the GTR out, you already know. Bunch of V10s. The 720 from the last video. We got Jamal, E92 M3. Another beautiful 720S. The man himself, legend. And the boys. The boys. What's good?
Has arrived.
What up? And we got Benny, built with Ben, you already know. About to roll out to Cars and Coffee, Windermere. Alright, we just mobbed here. About to pull up to Cars and Coffee. Rolled in with Jamal and Ben. And Jamal has a new titanium Toby exhaust and it sounds absolutely insane. We just pulled up to Cars and Coffee, Windermere. We have the GTR outside. Rolled in here with Jamal and Ben and our boys Danny and Daniel right there. It's a beautiful day, it's hot. Show you guys some of the cars here. We have the brand new Revelto pulling up. First time I've seen one in Orlando. For those of you guys that don't know, you live under a rock. This is the new hybrid V12 Lamborghini pushing 1,000 horsepower.
There we go.
The thing is insane. What we thinking? Early morning bird.
Very pretty car, and I'm not a Lambo guy, but oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's clean. This thing is so clean.
Watch this car early in the morning.
Every 2 weeks.
Like this.
Really?
I was gonna do my car. I was like,
I'll still take an SVJ over this, honestly, though.
Yeah.
Give me a good shade.
Let's see what you guys say.
It's still hot.
Jam
Comment
Alpha,
down
everybody.
below, and please convince this guy to start doing cinematics.
Nah.
I went straightforward.
If I'm doing a feature, like if I feature E92, I would, but like right now, bro, it's too hot for. I just run and gun, man, run and gun.
Literally, run and gun.
I got built with Ben, Jam Alpha back on the channel. You already know. Tell the people why we should do more cinematics, though. They can go to your
Why
channel
you
to watch
should-
that.
Hey, you know what? You're right. Shrug Media down below.
Yes, sir.
Honestly, I'll give you an honest answer.
No, I do like it though, cause like our boy Ken, he has cinematics in every video. It makes
So-
it a nice flow.
When you go back 5 years from now and you watch your channel, you watch your older videos, you're gonna say, dang, I forgot that car was there. Dang, I forgot that car was there. So when you do your cinematics, the clips are probably like, I don't know, maybe a second or two per clip. So you're gonna cram more cars in those cinematics in that minute or 30 seconds where you'll remember them.
You guys heard it here first.
There you go.
I have nothing to say.
Crazy GTR just pulled up. This sick R35 just pulled up. He has a top secret wing on it. Nice wrap. Looks like an aftermarket bumper as well. This thing's clean though. Corsa wheels. R RX-8 and 8. Let me know what you guys think about this wing. I'm thinking about it for my car in the future. I like it a lot. It's kind of like a STI wing, but it's super clean, super aggressive. And then also let me know what you guys think about this, having the GTR badge in the middle. You debadge the Nissan logo, and then you move the GTR badge from over here to right there. And I think it looks really good as well. Show you guys some cars here at Cars and Coffee. It is fucking hot. Murdered Out GTR. Got my boy Daniel's RCF. Clean R35 right here with a clean E36 with this nice kit on it. Super clean. Brabus G-Wagon. Love this C8 right here. All murdered out. You already know my type of spec. Off-road Huracan. Similar to the car that we saw last weekend. We rolled in with some of these guys right here. They asked me if I wanted to park here, but we parked over there for now. But yeah, nice day. Bunch of beautiful cars. Don't want to bore you guys, of course, but crazy twin turbo R8 from Titan. You see the turb skis back there with the bead locks. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. But this GTR over here is beautiful too. Orange on the tan interior. We're family now. He also has the badge in the middle, so let me know what you guys think about that. This car rolled in, absolutely beautiful. GT3 RS. He rolled in with his R8 and it sounded so clean. Gotta have an R8 one day, man. Another GTR ski. Have to go check it out, you already know. Ooh, he also has an FI exhaust. Very clean, very nice. Crazy bagged F80. Got some Beamers here. Frozen G87. Got the matte black wrap. Crazy diffuser. V10 M5. Very nice, very nice. Crazy Super with the headlight turbo. Nice Skyline GTT. We've seen this beautiful Porsche before at the Lambo dealership. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we just wrapped up lunch. Danny and Daniel just went home. We're leaving with Ben and Jamal. It's always a fun day with the boys, you know, driving around, going to Cars and Coffees, getting some lunch after. No better Sunday than that. But we'll catch you guys back in the garage.